Okay, we have this quadratic equation completing the square method. X squared minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. We want to solve this using completing the square method. Let's go. This is, first you divide everything through by the coefficient of x squared. But here the coefficient of x squared is 1, so you don't need to do that. Let's continue. So you take the constant term to the other side, it becomes x squared minus 6x equal to minus 8. Now, the next thing is to make, what will you add to this side, the left-hand side, to make it a perfect square? In doing that, what we do is we divide the coefficient of x by 2 and we square it. Now, if you divide it by 2, it will be plus minus 6 over 2 all squared equal to negative 8. Remember what you do to the left-hand side, you do to the right-hand side. Do the same thing here so that there will be a balance. The second stage. Let's continue. We have x squared minus 6x. This is negative 3 squared equal to minus 8 plus negative 3 squared. This will give us, because they all have squares, we can just use this. X with square, put it here, minus 3 is also with square, or squared, equal to minus 8 plus 9. So let's come up here. This same thing as x minus 3 square equal to 1. So let this square come over here, become square root. X minus 3 equal to plus or minus square root of 1. X minus 3 equal to plus or minus 1. This means x equal to 3 plus or minus 1. So is either x is equals to 3 minus 1 and, okay, x equals to 3 minus 1 and x equals to 3 plus 1. Is either x equals to 3 minus 1 or 3 plus 1. So you have x equal to 2 or x equal to 4. So look at the two values of x, 2 or 4. Thank you.